The Rowan Virtual Reality Center has produced advanced visualizations using a variety of virtual, mixed, and augmented reality platforms. Undergraduate students of engineering, through junior and senior clinic coursework, have the opportunity to use the latest technology to create virtual worlds. Working with faculty, staff, and graduate students, you will be trained in the areas of programming and 3D modeling to craft real-time virtual environments. The center features 2 walk-in cave systems that transport groups of people into virtual worlds. We also use the latest head-mounted devices and augmented reality solutions. The VR Center has applied its expertise to a variety of problems. For NASA, we produce visualizations of rocket engine systems that generate vast quantities of information. For the Army Research Laboratory, we created a training system to assess and educate users of cold spray technology. For educators and schools, our team virtually shrank elementary school students down to the size of a caterpillar to explore the life cycle of insects. And for classes of second graders, our students produced dinosaur modules that engage the entire classroom in learning. For Rowan's 2 medical schools, we created volumetric renderings of the human body that surgeons could use to part the tissues of their patients virtually. But the center is not just for engineers, as we actively collaborate with other departments and institutions. Currently, our students are engaged in creating an educational experience of Warsaw, Poland's Jewish ghetto in the 1940s, recreating key locations where the user can explore historical accounts of the time. For the U.S. Army, the team is developing virtual environments for assessing combat systems and their operations. And from time to time, we'll even engage in creating gaming experiences such as this abandoned military site where you must escape before the toxic gases overwhelm you. The center also features 3D scanning and printing facilities where just this past summer students designed and mass-produced a reusable face mask. The Rowan VR Center is constantly engaged in new projects, using all technologies available to create ever more realistic and impressive visualizations.